Hi, my name is Doug Hoffman. Here we are in the newly renovated recital hall. But as you can see, we've just had a ballet performance here with the ballet bars, the costumes nearby, a stage and seating area here. It's a pretty exciting space, and it's used in so many different ways and will be used in so many different ways. Beyond that wall will be all of the creative art therapy staff, as well as music and teaching spaces that surround this space. And so each one of those has been upgraded. The restrooms have been upgraded. We've now created a family restroom, which will have a changing station. So these are the improvements that are being made in this building, which will make this a fully accessible building. And that's a big step for us. It's the one building on campus that now is fully accessible. Our goal is to finish this piece, to remove the annex, to establish the park out front, and then undertake in 2023 the big change to the front of the building where we add the marquee, we improve the restroom situation inside the building, and to raise the roof for the dance studios. Our goal is to have all of that happen in 2023. The only way that that can happen is if we can get your pledged dollars and cash contributions now. We would love to wrap up this whole campaign by the spring of 2022. That's only 3.5 months away. But surprisingly, the gap to close that is very small, and it keeps getting smaller because of the gifts we've been receiving from individuals and from foundations. The bottom line is we need your help to close that. We need to get this thing done. And frankly, I'm tired. It's 5.5 years I've been working on this. I'm anxious to have this campaign over, but I'm more anxious to have the Beck complete. And what a transformation it is.
I think it's really awesome. It'll just help because all the bright colors, as you can see, we need some more space here to do all the things that we do, like practice with monologues, improv, just rehearsals too. That'll be really helpful.
I did ballet here and an acting class when I was 4. I really like this new space. I mean, I watched it be turned into a cafe, and then sometimes we would come in and play at the cafe, and now I think it's a nice little space for a classroom.
Big changes at the Beck, and these are the changes that will carry us into the future. These are the changes that will allow us to go 34 years before we have to do major fundraising to improve for renovation. However, we will continue to fundraise for our operating, and we constantly need money for operations, and we will ask you for that year after year after year. We appreciate all that you've done for us to date, and we're hoping you'll continue to support us as we move forward. Thank you.